Yes, Rigved.
Yajurved. So next question is name the four Vedas and write down the definition of Veda. So first of all, you have to write down the definition of Veda. Okay.
काम करो यार.
Question number B, name the four Vedas and write down the definition of Veda. The definition of Veda is, I'm giving the definition. The word Veda means knowledge, and Vedic literature truly reflects the wisdom of the Indo-Aryan people. The four Vedas are Rig Ved, Sam Ved, Yajur Ved, and Atharva Ved. Okay. So the answer is there on your WhatsApp, your group of also, SST group. Next question is, what do you understand by Upanishad? Krishna, would you like to give answer? Krishna, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to give answer number C?
Ma'am, may I try? Can I try?
Try. I'm here to make corrections.
Ma'am, Upanishads were considered as the gods. Ma'am,
What gods? God saying.
ma'am, gods.
What? Actually, Upanishad is a collection of hymns. Okay, it's a collection of hymns. It's maybe the stories.
Please try again a bit.
Okay, so they are the collection of hymns or stories. But what we get from Upanishad, it is a source to know about the Aryans. So, question number C, what do you understand by Upanishad? The Upanishad are the literary sources of the early Vedic age. Simple. Okay. Upanishads are the sources of the literature of the early Vedic age. Just like Quran. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done the worksheet of Chinese civilization. Ma'am, now what to do with it?
Leave it. Because when we asked, when the ma'am asked us to deduct the syllabus, so I deduct that chapter. But bulky मैं पढ़ा चुकी थी, but I have deducted it. It is not coming in half yearly. Next question is, what do you understand by the term Puran? Okay. Purans are the ancient and medieval literary terms of the Hinduism. It is there on the group also, the answer. Okay. Next question. Now I want the answers of these questions from all of you because the PPT is there on your group also. Okay. You have to compare the political life of the early Vedic age and later Vedic age. Anush? Anush?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give me the answer of this question. Comparison between the political life of early Vedic age and later Vedic age. You can take the help of your book. You can take the help of the PPT. Okay. So I am giving you 2 minutes to get ready with the answer. Please open up your camera. Next question is from Arohi. Arohi, am I audible, beta? Arohi? Okay, Ramiza. Ramiza, open up your camera. Ramiza, classification of society. I want this answer from you. I'm giving you 2 minutes to get the answer. It is there in the PPT also, in the book also. Anush, Arush. Arush.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is from you. Get ready with the answer. Economic life. It should be comparison between early Vedic age and later Vedic age. जो भी answer बताओगे, I'm here to correct it. ठीक है? Akshara. Akshara, please answer. Akshara, I will mark you absent, beta. This is not the way to come in the class. You are not. अनुष तो हो गया. आरव सॉरी, मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ आरुष और अनुष में. आरव, raise your hand. Yes, next question is from you, and the question is social religious life. नहीं, yes, religious life. Okay, Krishna, social life is from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Social life question is from you. Okay. So you all are getting 2 minutes, and again I'm going to start from Anush. Anush, give me the answer, beta. Political life comparison बताइए जल्दी से.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
जो मछलियां होती हैं उन्हें गोश्त देती हैं, मीट देती हैं. डॉग गिव्स अस हाउस, कार्ड बेटा गिव्स वैसे लॉ.
Come on, Anush, give me answer. बेटा इतना टाइम लोगे तो we are just wasting the time now. Only 15 minutes are left. Anyone else want to give answer?
Then too you can ask from anyone else. I'm just forgotten that page.
It is there in PPT also. PPT खोलते ही तुमको सब मिल जाएगा. Ramiza, unmute yourself. Ready with answer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait a minute, Krishna. Ramiza, speak up. You're not audible, beta. क्या करूं? बताओ. No, you're not audible. Ramiza. Okay, Krishna. Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
give me answer, beta.
Ma'am, ma'am, my answer is, ma'am, the family remained the basic unit of society, and ma'am, the father was the head of the family. The
Yes.
joint family system was quite common. The position of women appeared to have declined. Remember,
Listen, one thing, Krishna, joint family system was common in early Vedic age or in later Vedic age?
ma'am, joint
Actually, family was the basic unit. ये दोनों में आ जाएगा, ठीक है? And the male was the head of the family, Grahpati. ये भी
Yes,
common
ma'am.
हो जाएगा. Next, joint family system was popular in later Vedic age, and nuclear family system was popular in early Vedic age. इसके अलावा
ma'am, and the society was divided into 3 castes. Ma'am, 4 castes. Ma'am, Brahmins, Kshatris, Vaishyas, and Shudras.
very good. Yes, very nice.
Ma'am, Brahmins were the educated priests who specialized in preserving sacred texts.
Okay, Krishna. Nice. It means you are paying attention in the class. Very good, very nice, very impressive. Okay, next is Arav. Mr. Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
you got answer?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा बताओ, जो बताओगे गलत बताओगे तो मैं हूँ यहाँ से करने के लिए. Please, okay, come on, speak up.
Ma'am, in early Vedic age, gods were based on natural forces such as rain, the sun, the moon, rivers, and so on.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
and in later Vedic age, rituals and sacrifice become important. Ma'am, in
Okay.
early Vedic age, natural forces were personified. Ma'am, and in later Vedic age, priests also gained prominence. Prajapati, the creator god, become the important.
Okay, good, very good. आरव ने आंसर दिया है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
आरुष.
Yes, ma'am.
आरुष.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, your answer. Come on, Arush, come on, don't waste time. Only 9 minutes are left. Not times, yes, 9 minutes are left.
Ma'am. In early Vedic age, and the families were, and through the term, Griha,
Yes, speak up, come on, try.
and families were largely partial. Through women had an important role in the society.
नहीं आरुष बेटा टेल मी कि कौन सा टॉपिक तुम मुझे बता रहे हो?
Economic life.
Economic life means you have to tell about agriculture, you have to tell about trade and commerce, you have to tell about domestications of animals, कि वो पैसे कैसे कमाते थे. You have to discuss these points. Economic life is like that. Come on, give the answer. Listen, देखो, simple. It is there in your PPT also. Early Vedic age, they were involved in domestications of animals. Secondly, they gave preference to the agriculture. In later Vedic age, firstly, they gave preference to the agriculture. Secondly, they were involved in domestications of animals. In later Vedic age, they were not very much involved in trading. But in later Vedic age, they were involved in trading also, and other occupations like musicians, etc. were discovered. Okay, तो इस तरीके से बताएं. Everything is given there in the PPT. Okay, Anush, अब तो आंसर देना पड़ेगा. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to difference the political life. The smallest unit of the political and social organization was Kula or Griha family.
Griha, okay.
Griha family.
Good.
A group of families formed the Grama village,
Okay.
headed by the Gramin
Spelling बोलो.
Gramani. Gramini village headman. A group
Yes.
of several clans called Vish was known as the Jana tribe. In
Jana, the tribe or trib?
Yes, ma'am, tribe.
Okay.
In the early Vedic age, the Rajan chieftain of the Jana was responsible for protecting his people. He was also required to guide them to victory in a war. The Rajan
Okay,
was
very good. At least you try to give the answer. It is really very nice and very good, Ramiza, because she was not audible to us. That's why she write down the message, and it is the answer and the comparison, a little comparison between the early Vedic age and later Vedic period. Okay, very nice. I just want कि सबको समझ में आए ये chapter, and you can write the answers on your own.
मुश्किल नहीं है ये चैप्टर.
No, it is very easy chapter.
मैं पढ़ा था, ये ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है.
Chapter is very, very, very important. अभी learn कर लोगे तो when you will come to class 9, it will be the second chapter. Harappa society will be the first chapter in class 9, then it will be the second chapter. But at that time you have to learn it in expanded form. इसमें ज़्यादा learn करना पड़ेगा तुमको class 9 में. So if you are able to understand these chapters in class 6, हिस्ट्री सिविक्स अगर तुमको ज्योग्राफी क्लास 6 में समझ आता है तो 9th तक इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. ओके, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गिविंग स्ट्रेस ऑन दीस टाइप्स ऑफ चैप्टर्स ओनली कि ये पढ़ना है तो पढ़ना है. ऑल दीस थिंग. हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस चैप्टर इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अभी से बेसिक थिंग्स शुड बी क्लियर. एक्चुअली 6th, 7th, 8th इज द बेसिक ऑफ 9th and 10th एंड इट इज बेसिक ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी स्टडी. जिस भी फील्ड में जाओगे बेस तुमको 6th, 7th, 8th में ही मिलता है. Okay, so please read this chapter again carefully. Worksheet is there on your group on WhatsApp. So I will. Should I share the answer of each and every question, or you are able to write down the answer on your own? Everyone should answer.
The answer on our own.
Okay, Krishna said. Anush, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to write down answer on your own with the help of PPT and book?
Excuse me, ma'am.
I can write.
You are able. Krishna, again, speak up.
I can take help of my mother.
No, beta, you have to write your answer on your own. If you need help, so I am here to help you. Ask me, ma'am, I'm not able to understand. Yeah, I'm not able to get the answer of this point. Okay, then I will tell you the answer. No issues will be there. Any problem, any confusion is there, you can ask me personally. Personally, तो कोई नहीं देख रहा है ना तुमको. पूछो मुझसे. ठीक है. Okay, Krishna, you want to say anything?
Ma'am, in the question of social life, ma'am, we have to explain, ma'am, the caste system.
Yes,
And ma'am,
Varna system.
ma'am, we have to explain, ma'am, in the question of social life, ma'am, we have to explain the ma'am, family, position of women, and 4 old Varna. Ma'am, both 3 of
In
them.
social life, the position of women will also come. In social life, position of women will also come. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You can explain that also in social life.
Okay. Ma'am, family, 4 Varna.
हाँ, फैमिली सिस्टम बेटा. सोशल में तो फैमिली लाइफ आ गई, पोजीशन ऑफ वुमेन आ गई, गृहपति आ गया, ऑल दिस थिंग. अक्षरा, अक्षरा आंसर. Am I audible? Okay, Ramiza, are you able to write down the answer on your own? Ramiza, unmute yourself, beta. Speak up. Okay, Ramiza said yes. Very good. Arav Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
मम्मी को नहीं परेशान करना है.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can, both of you can sit combined.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to find out the answer. If you're not able to find out the answer with the help of PPT or book, you can ask me then. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask me then. Ask me if you have any problem. And Arohi? बेटा am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आप लिख लोगे खुद से आंसर, अगर नहीं लिख पाओगे प्लीज आस्क मी पर्सनली, मैसेज भेजो मैम आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. आंसर नंबर सी, आंसर नंबर डी, whatever, D4 part, D1 part, I will give the answer. But firstly I like that my kids, not kids, my students should try. अब kid नहीं रह गए, you all are in class 6 now, okay, grown up one. So आप कोशिश करेंगे कि आप खुद से आंसर लिखें.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? नहीं होगा तो मैम is available to give the answer. Always just ask me, ma'am, I'm not able to get this and this. So I will give the answer. Clear? Okay. And yes. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss this worksheet again if there is any problem. अगर मान लो कोई एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो ज्यादातर लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, एंड कृष्णा डोंट डिस्टर्ब योर मदर, राइट डाउन द आंसर ऑन योर ओन.
Yes, ma'am.
आ रहा है पर मम्मी तो है ही है बताने के लिए, सबके पास, अनुज के पास, सबके पास जाएंगे, मम्मी मिल जाएंगी, मम्मी बता देंगी. नो, अकेले काम करेंगे. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड आस्क मी. मम्मी नहीं पढ़ा रही है एसएसटी, आई एम टीचिंग एसएसटी. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अटेंडेंस. क्लास 6. Okay, Adya was not able. Arav, Arohi, Arush, Akshara, Anush.
Then who is this Mr. Edu?
This is Mr. Piyush sir, and he is recording this video. जिनका कैमरा ऑफ है उनका नहीं जा रहा है. Okay, so time is over now. We will meet tomorrow, and I hope you all will complete your work. Okay, so
Yes.
all the very best. Complete your work, and if you are able to complete your work, just give me the pic. एक स्कैन करके पीडीएफ बनाना प्लीज. इतना ब्लर भेजते हो ना, पिक मैम की आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Anisa is typing something. Okay. Okay, we'll meet tomorrow. Goodbye. Stay safe.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.